Hey everyone, it's Josh from Seattle Coffee Gear here, and today we're going to be looking at my top 3 espresso machines for 2017. First up, we have the Breville Infuser. It is definitely my pick for a beginner or entry-level espresso machine. There are cheaper ones on the market like the Espresso Basic or the Breville Duo Temp Pro, but this one sort of strikes a really good balance between entry-level price point with the features that a lot of people look for in semi-automatic machines, including a brew pressure gauge, pressurized and non-pressurized baskets, classic steam wand, and a hot water nozzle for Americanos or tea. Like most Breville products, the Infuser has a whole bunch of usability tweaks that make it a great choice for beginning baristas, including an easily removable water tank that you can pull out and refill, and auto purge functionality, which means that you can go from steaming to brewing without having to lower the temperature manually like you do on most machines. It also has a couple of other nifty features like a magnetic tamper holder here in the corner and a storage basket for your accessories behind the drip tray. Next up is the Espresso Dream PID. I was really excited when this one came in because I love the design of the Dream. I think it's like a really classic look, and I also love the footprint. But what really got me was that when I took it apart to look at it when we received it, they've made so many usability changes between the original Dream and the Dream PID that it's almost not the same machine. It's more like they share a case. Some of the many new features they've added to the Dream PID include, obviously the PID screen on the front. It gives you control over pre-infusion, timed shots, and temperature. But they've also included an overpressure valve, so you can now backflush, an articulated steam wand, and they've added really nice boxwood furniture to both the steam knob and the portafilter, which really drive up the sort of stylish approach to espresso that Espresso is known for. Overall, I think the Dream PID's a great pick if you're someone who really appreciates the small footprint and the design and styling, but also want really granular control over your brew parameters and really like to sort of nerd out over what you can do with your machine. Last up on my picks is the Rocket Espresso Giotto Evo R. Rocket has a whole bunch of machines in this, really capable prosumer category. I picked the Evo R in particular over Rocket's other models, including their nicer ones like the R58 or the R60, because I actually really enjoy the process of using a heat exchanger. And it's a more classic Italian design. Original E61s did have a heat exchanger group. And I also like that it has these sort of retro beveled panels and that they hid the PID behind the drip tray so that you get better control over temperature than you would with a pressure stat without sort of sacrificing the classic design. It also has a rotary pump instead of a vibe pump, so you have the option to plumb it in, which is really nice if you're entertaining or brewing multiple shots in a day. I really like that it's built by hand in Italy. I like that the feet rise. All in all, if you're looking for a really capable machine in the prosumer category that's pretty much guaranteed to last you a decade or more, this is my favorite. So that's it for my top 3 espresso machines for 2017.